How to delete or unlink Microsoft account from Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can unlink your Microsoft account from Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, just click on the start button at the bottom left, and there you can simply click on settings to open the settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, what you can do is just look at the left hand side, and there you can simply click on accounts. And now here, once you're inside accounts, what you can do is you can simply scroll down, and there you can just click on your info. And now here in this section, under the accounts used by other apps or account on this device, simply locate the Microsoft account that you want to unlink. And now here, once you have found the account, then what you can do is you can just click on the account, and after that, on the next side, you'll see the remove button. So as of right now, I don't have any Microsoft account, but if you have there, you'll see it in that menu. So there you can just click on remove and confirm by clicking on yes or delete account and data, and this will only remove account data from this PC, and that's it. That's how you can delete Microsoft account from Windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.